Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm an intern here at Nagios, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new dashboard system in Nagios XI 2026 so you can better visualize your monitoring data all in one place. Dashboards make it easy to see everything from host and service performance to key business metrics all in one place. Let's get started. Once in Nagios XI 2026, all we have to do is navigate over to the dashboard menu on the side navigation bar. Once we click on that, the first thing you'll see is a built-in localhost smart dashboard along with a few other preloaded dashboards for Linux servers and websites. These dashboards give you a quick view of system health right out of the box with XI. Before creating a new one, let's quickly go over the two dashboard types available in Nagios XI 2026. Smart dashboards are brand new to XI 2026 and feature modern React-based design. They're more responsive and include a smart dashboard wizard for automatic dashboard creation. Legacy dashboards are the original version many longtime users will recognize. While some dashlets are now smart only, others like host group summary, overview, and metrics remain legacy exclusive. So let's create a new smart dashboard. All we have to do is click the Smart Dashboard Wizard under the Dashboard Tools section. We're going to give our dashboard a title, Test. Then we just have to select a template. We're going to go with specific host. We're going to select local host. And we're going to leave that global check unchecked for now. But once we're all ready to go, then we just hit submit. And there we go. We have our freshly made smart dashboard for our local host. Now, if you want to build one from scratch, we can do that too. Same kind of thing. All we have to do is go up to add new dashboard. Give it a title. We'll name this one Test 2. We have to select a dashboard type. We're going to go with Smart for this one. And again, we're going to leave that global check mark unchecked. And then once we're ready to go, we can hit Submit. Now, under our Smart Dashboards tab, you can see that we have Test 2. We click on Test 2, and you can see we don't have any dashlets in our dashboard. Now, to add dashlets, all we have to do is go up to the top here, click on Add Dashlet, and you'll see several options, including graph, summary, gauge, and custom dashlets. But for this demo, we'll add a graph dashlet. We'll name this one Memory Usage. Now all we have to do is select a host. We'll go with our local host, a service, memory usage. And then once everything's ready, all we have to do is click Submit. And there we go. We have our dashlet in our brand new dashboard. One of the highlights of our new dashboards is the fact that we can resize things really quick and easily to get things organized. So we'll head back over to our test smart dashboard. And we can click and drag corners to size them up. You can click on the top of a dashlet to move it around, and it gives you a nice little box indicating where it's going to go. And we can shrink things down as well. To edit, clone, or delete a dashlet, all you have to do is go up to this top right corner here, click there, and you're provided with all the options for things that you can do with your dashlets. So say we want to delete this host status dashlet. All we do is click the top right corner, click delete, and there it goes. To refresh your dashboard data, all you have to do is go up to the top, click the refresh icon, and all your data has been refreshed. What's also cool is you can set your refresh rate by clicking on this drop-down icon, and you can select from any of these options, and it'll apply a new refresh rate. You can also export dashboards, making it easy to share dashboards between users. All you have to do, go up here to the Export Dashboard button, click on that, give it a name, and then click Export. Legacy dashboards are still supported for users who prefer the classic layout. To create one, click Add New Dashboard, select Legacy, and customize your background color or choose Transparent. Once you're ready, all you have to do is click Submit, and our new dashboard is going to appear under our Legacy Dashboards tab. Once in Legacy Dashboards, you can add dashlets by going over to the Dashboard Options, Add Dashlet, and then you can select one from the available dashlets menu. And with that, you've learned how to create, manage, and customize dashboards in the new Nagios XI 2026. If you like this video, consider checking out our YouTube channel for any more helpful videos. And if you have any of our products and need some support, check out support.nagios.com. And as always, happy monitoring.